Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh. Cause I can't stop loving you, since I got a taste of your love.
Hey Faves, what's up, what's good? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read from today's title, I am installing this beautiful Shein wig unit, and it is human hair. Yes, human hair, you guys. I know they have been selling a lot of synthetic wigs, but now they have human hair wigs. So I decided to try one so that you guys will learn from my experience and you guys can decide if you want to actually try it or not. So I just decided to take one for the team, and I don't regret it. I really love this wig. I love the way it turned out. Yeah, it's really nice. It's giving the girls everything that it needs to give. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this unit or I customize it to be this green and jet black color, just continue watching today's video and I'll catch you at the end of the video with my final thoughts.
Hey, you're live. Is that you?
Alright guys, so these are the products that I use to color this unit. I'm doing a skunk stripe. I sectioned off the left side of my wig and I'm just gonna go ahead and bleach that with my quick blue and my 40 volume developer. I will leave all of these things that I use in the description box, so if you want to get the exact So after applying the bleach, I did leave it on for about 15 minutes and then I rinsed it out and I got that beautiful golden color in the end, and it was light enough for me to go over it and color it green. So this coloring process did take me 2 days to complete, and my reason for that is I didn't want to put any excessive heat on this wig, so I did not blow dry. I allowed this wig to air dry for 24 hours and then I went in the next day and did my color. So I just applied the electric lime color from a door onto the part of the wig that was blonde, and I was careful not to let the color stay in the lace. So you want to go in and take your time, use a very small brush. You can use an edge brush, you know, something that will help you to apply the color evenly and not make a mess. After that, I did go in and mixed my jet black color, and I applied that to the wig just as I did with the green color. By the way, I only took my time to do the roots because I didn't want to dye the lace, but I did go ahead and watercolor the rest of the hair jet black. So this is the end results. This is how the color came out, and as you guys can see, it is popping. I'm just showing you how light the lace is, but I did go in and tint it with my makeup, and that's what I do with every other wig, and as you can see, it looks, you know, better now. So I am going to go ahead and do the installation process. I'll let you guys watch that. I won't be talking through it, and then I'll just come back at the end when I'm finished installing.
Call me on my you used to yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that I'm late. You can only be one thing. I know when that I'm late. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left off. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed off. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that I'm late. That can only mean one thing. I know when that I'm late. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before.
When a nigga pull up on me, tell a nigga, baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish to take her back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. bag. I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind up. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Back in the mail, it's gone. Feel like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, I go where I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. You know what you told you that nigga crazy, don't think she lie to you, nigga. We hit this shot with your hoe when I'm popping the boat, now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the GOAT, act like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go eat the bank, take out 100 to show you my pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge, she got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat you, I step all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type that let niggas think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million.
Hey guys, so this is how the wig turned out. I really love this wig. This is their body wave unit 13 by 4 lace frontal. It is in 24 inches and I did bleach the wig and I also dyed it jet black. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you some things that I noticed about this wig. Let me start with the pros. This wig actually bleached really quickly and really easily. I watched other video of this girl having this Shein wig. She got a closure wig and she was saying that she tried to bleach it with 40 volume developer and the knots did not bleach. As you guys can see, I bleached the entire side of the hair and it bleached, and I also bleached the knots and it bleached really good. So I don't know what was up with her wig, but my wig actually bleached really well. It took the color really well, and as you guys can see, the jet black is also popping, so it takes the color really well and it bleached really well. The knots are also small on this wig, so as you guys can see, it's giving scalp is really melted. Another thing that a lot of people complained about was the lace being very ashy, but for me, I don't think it was super ashy. It was light, but it was transparent lace type of white in my opinion. So all I did was tint it with my foundation like I do with all my other wigs, and it was no problem. The hair is really soft. The wig with just a little oil added to it, no extra product, nothing like that, and as you guys can see, it's really naturally shiny. I didn't do any extra stuff. This wig was bleached, so you expect it to be a little bit dry. That's not the case with this wig. It still remained really soft and nice. One con about this wig is that this wig fits my head exact, and I am a 22 size. I'm the average size head, and this wig actually stops right here. Normally when I get my lace frontals, I would have to pull the lace down and then cut the sides if it's too big, but this one actually just stops right where I would cut my wigs. So if you are on the bigger side, as in 23 and upwards, I don't think this wig would be for you. I don't remember if on their site they had sizing. I doubt it, but if you have a bigger head, I don't think you should get it. One thing that I wanted to mention, that for some people it is a con, but as for me, it's not a con, because I just believe that every hair sheds. This wig did give me a little bit of shedding, nothing crazy. It's a con for some people. Personally, it's not a con for me. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. As for the price point, this wig did go for $162, but with that discount it came to $142. People are expecting it to be cheaper. No, it's actually really good quality in my opinion. So I feel like it's actually worth the price. It is 24 inches and actually is 24 inches in real life, so you do get value for your money. Other girls saying that the wig is thin. In my opinion, it's not thin. This is how my wig looks. Yeah, so in my opinion, it's not thin, but it's not thick either. This is just the perfect, I believe, 150 density. So I don't have a problem with how with the thickness of this wig. I actually like the way it is. Alright, so that is basically it. That's all I have to say about this unit. My experience is different from your experience. I really do like this wig and I recommend this wig. So if you want to try it, you can go ahead and try it. I will leave the links to this unit in the description box down below. So if you're interested in buying this unit, you can go ahead. So yeah, that is basically it for today's video. Remember to click the links in the description box down below if you are interested in getting this unit for yourself. And until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, Favs.